now let's continue on. So I'm going into my odds here now. I've got a lot of TDS stuff starting to build up in here, and that's great. So I've got some merge plans and things like that. I want to get some BIM stuff in here now. So I'm going to hit my add file upload. And again, I'm going back towards my Windows Explorer here via my computer. Upload. I'm in the Explorer here. Now here is my BIM. Here's one of your BIM projects you did for me. There'll be 2 or 3 sheets involved in that, maybe something like that. So I've merged them. I've named this correctly. So this is Tech 2103 BIM Semester 2 Project 1 or whatever it might be, and I'll open that. Give it a second just to upload. So I'll add it. Yeah, it does this. It takes a little. There you go. So now that's done. I'll hit next here. And again, it'll give me a chance to rename that in case I made a mistake, but I haven't made a mistake. I'm going to tag this with BIM. Okay, that's kind of important, and I should have said this for your TDS. If you get a chance to tag it, then tag it. So tag, obviously tag is TDS, your BIM tag is BIM. And okay, save and close. You can see that there's a few more steps involved in this one than there is in the bulk upload. All right, now back into my items here. And okay, so here's my BIM stuff and here's my TDS stuff. Now, this is where we're going to ask you to do a little bit of organization. So you can see that everything is popping in there, but it's a little bit higgledy-piggledy and all over the shop. So what will help us to put a bit more structure on this is the collection. So I'm going to hit the collection here now. And this is why I gave you the naming convention on the Yammer here. So here's our first one, Tech 2100 TDS. So I'm going to call that that. So you're going to set up a collection for each of the modules that you were involved in. Tag it, so TDS, that's good. And we'll save and close. And that's my first collection gone in here. Okay. Let's pop it in there. And I'm going to go back to my items here to show you that. Okay, so you notice that the icon has changed. That's a collection, and these are all the various different artifacts. Now, I want to get these artifacts, the TDS artifacts, into the TDS collection. So how do I do that? Well, look, if we hit the drop-down box, submenu comes up to Add to Collection. We've only got one here at the moment, so I'll check that and go Add. Now, notice that it doesn't disappear from here. So it kind of tags it into this in here. I'll do a second one here, so this would be Add to Collection. That's going into TDS there as well. And if I click into the collections here, you'll see what happens here now. So we're starting to get all of the TDS stuff collected in under TDS. And what that will allow is that will allow the lecturer or the external examiner to go into that collection, find that and do a preview on it, and then as it uploads it'll pop up like so. Okay, now that is how we'd like you to do that. I'm going to do another video here in which I'm going to show you the rest of the collections, and then I'm going to show you how you can connect your esquisse, or how you can collect your esquisse work into a PDF, into a PowerPoint, to create a PDF, put that into your e-portfolio as well.